everyone, my name is Iris, I am 15 and this is my first ever YouTube video. I am super excited to finally start this channel. मैं बहुत सालों से इंतज़ार कर रही थी but मैंने बोला छोड़ो बस हम start करते हैं. जैसे मैंने बताया I'm 15, I'm a Christian and a big part of my life is my faith, my family and my church, so you'll definitely be seeing a lot of that here. I'll be sharing little bits of my life, doing some challenges or some shorts, just being the real me. It can be a normal day with my family or just doing things that I do at home. Being part of a worship team, you definitely go to places for worship, so I'll bring you along if I can. A big question I asked myself before starting this channel was that why am I starting it? And the answer to that is there's just moments in life where you're sitting and you're having fun. It can be with the friends, it can be with the family, it can be literally with anyone, where you wish you could have just recorded it and have it as a memory. So this channel is just a memory book for me to look from the future to what all I did as a teenager. Maybe it will be after 12 years, after 20 years. It can be always something to look back on. एक और चीज़ जो मैंने सोचा था कि मतलब मैं अलग कैसे हूँ. There are a lot of channels you can go and watch, but how am I different? My main purpose to start this channel was to show you a life of a teenager with Christ beside. It's not easy, but you find a way to live with it. You find a way to have fun, a way to have those moments where you're exhausted, but that's where Christ comes in. The helper, the healer, the one who's already figured out stuff we can't even think of getting through. It's not about being always at your best. It's about surrendering it to Christ, where He comes in and helps you getting through it, because we can't do anything without Him. We're nothing without Him. And when we know that and when we give space for Him to help us, that's where the glory comes in, that's where the joy comes in, that's where everything just goes away and you know that everything's safe. He has already planned out your life. I was not planning on saying this, but Holy Spirit just guides you and tells you what to do, and sometimes you just have to let it. So that's a glimpse into my life. If you want to know more about me, you can join me in this journey. And if you want me to know about you, you can comment, and I promise you I always read the comments. It's my favorite part of watching YouTube or anything really. I love to watch, I love to read the comments and reply. So if you're thinking about commenting, go comment, because I'll read it and reply. So yeah, मैं wait करूँगी आप लोगों के comments का. You can tell me where you're from or what you want to see, what you want to know more about me. I'll soon be doing a Q&A where you can ask questions, and whatever questions you're going to be commenting down, I'll write them down and answer it in a video few weeks from now, so you guys can take your time. And yeah, also we have a new video coming in this Monday, Sunday in my life as a teenager. You guys can join me on that too. Wait for it on Monday. I'll release it on Monday. I'm going to start. I'll tell you about the whole day, what I do from the morning to the end, from the time I wake up to the time I go to sleep. That's it for now. God bless you and see you next week. Bye.